Hi everyone, I'm Suyuk from Online Health Guide, and in this video, I will show you how to go live on Instagram. Going live lets you engage with your followers in real time, whether you are sharing updates, hosting a Q&A, or just hanging out. So let's get started on how to go live on Instagram. First, open the Instagram app on your device. Next, look at the bottom of your screen and tap on the plus icon. This will open up the options for creating a new post. Tap on the live option from the bottom right corner. Now you will see an option that says add a title. Tap on it and enter the title for your live broadcast. Finally, tap the capture button under the title to start your live. Once you do this, you will be live on Instagram and your followers will be able to join and watch your stream. And this is how you can go live on Instagram. Thank you for watching Online Health Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss our upcoming videos.